We can adjust and edit curves in Illustrator with other tools available to us under the pen tool icon. So click on the pen tool icon drop-down menu, just click and hold on that very small triangle, and you see the options available to us. In this present video, I'll discuss the Add Anchor Point tool and the Delete Anchor Point tool. Convert Anchor Point tool will be saved for an upcoming video. So let's enable Add Anchor Point tool, and the pen tool icon has a plus sign next to it, so we can cursor anywhere over the path of our curve. Just click once, and we made a new anchor point, and it's as editable and as adjustable as any other anchor point, just like I showed in the previous video. To the other tool, the Delete Anchor Point tool, let's click on the drop-down menu and choose Delete Anchor Point tool, and a minus sign comes up next to the pen tool icon. And you guessed it, all we have to do is cursor over the anchor point. We can see the word anchor visible. Click on it, and it deletes that anchor point. I do want to discuss the concept of deleting anchor points and deleting parts of the curve. So let me clear off my workspace here, and let's take a look at these two circles I drew. First of all, I'll use my direct select tool, and I'll select one of the circles, so now I can see my path and I can see where my anchor points are. So I'm going to use my Delete Anchor Point tool, just like I just demonstrated. I'm going to select one of these anchor points, click on it, and delete the anchor point. And let me deselect so we can look at this clearly. So I deleted the anchor point. So we have an anchor point here, here, and here, but I deleted this anchor point. However, the circle is still complete, or not, it's not a circle anymore, but the ellipse is still complete, and I didn't delete any of the line. I did not delete the path. Now check out what I do here on the second circle below. I'm going to hit my direct select tool. I'm going to do a marquee selection so this anchor point is selected. And this is something that some beginners kind of get confused on. You can see the anchor point is a filled-in black block. That means it's a selected anchor point. Let's compare it with this anchor point here. It's a hollow white, just a white block. That means it's not selected. So I have the selected anchor point. Now if I hit the delete key on the keyboard, let me deselect so we can see what's going on. I deleted the path. So with the direct select tool and the delete key on the keyboard, you delete the path. Okay, with the, let me select it again, with the delete anchor point tool, you only delete the anchor point. So the image, this blobby shape on the top, I deleted the anchor point. The half circle below, I deleted that entire path.